Hello friends, it's Raj. So, this is the unboxing and quick look of the Omron automatic blood pressure monitor. So, let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, the model is HEM-7120. It displays systolic and diastolic blood pressure and also your pulse rate. There is also a hypertension indicator. So the package includes one BP unit, one arm cuff, 4 AA batteries, warranty card and a manual. It's made in Vietnam, that's good. So you can also save your readings in your mobile phone using the Omron Connect app. There are also extra features like movement detection, arrhythmia, last reading memory, etc. So this one costed me around rupees 1500 after the offers. The whole unit weighs just around 400 to 500 grams, including the cuffs and the batteries. So let's take out the contents. That's the warranty card. Okay, the main unit, arm cuff and manual. Let's keep this aside. Details about the Omron Connect app. It's just an optical character reader app. To avail warranty, we need it signed and stamped. But you can still register the product online if you have the valid proof of purchase. Once registered, you will get an email confirmation. Again, the arm cuff and 4 AA batteries. Omron says these will last for 1000 rounds. And the cuff fits for arms with 22 to 32 centimeters circumference. And finally, the manual. So let's power up the device and test it. The main advantage of this 7120 model is that you can use a DC adapter instead of batteries. Then the user manual, which contains details about product usage, errors, etc. So let's test it. Go through the section 3 in the user manual for the proper usage. Of course, the device is not that accurate. You might need to take more than one reading to confirm the final value, and still there might be a narrow margin of error, but it serves the purpose. Now demonstrating the memory function, press the start-stop button for more than 5 seconds to display the last reading. Pressing more than 15 seconds will erase the memory, that is the last reading. Now let's check the Omron app. The app allows to track individual blood pressures by scanning and saving the readings from time to time. However, I think the app footprint of 70 MB is too big considering the features offered. So that was the unboxing and quick look of the Omron 7120 automatic blood pressure monitor. You can find the product and other useful links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.